Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can record payment on account for an invoice, for example, which have been not issued yet on accounting. The simplest and quickest way to record payment on account is going through sales, go to customer, sorry, that was a system blip. Click on customer from which you have received a payment, and at the top from drop-down list select income. Choose date, choose payment method, select an account in which money has been received, enter an amount, for example I have received £250, deposit, assign to category, so you can select, either create new category or select from the one which you have selected previously, and definitely select the customer, so this amount has been allocated to this customer. A number, this is system automatically generated transaction number. You can add a reference and also add an attachment, and click save. So this is an income receipt for £250 to new limited. So if I go back to new limited customer account, and go to transaction section, I can see £250 being recorded and they've been not allocated to any invoices yet. So this is the way how you can record payment on account on accounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete accounting tutorial as well as my personal review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.